You know what? I'm gonna go straight to the point because I'm tired of seeing so much BS on social media. Everyone is either flexing or selling a dream, and most of it's fake. So I decided to find out for myself. Is online income in 2025 actually real or is just a hype? Here is what happened. A few months ago, I kept seeing videos like make 10k a month from your phone. AI made me $300 while I'm sleeping. You don't need skills, just post content and let the algorithm do its thing. And I would lie to you, it got in my head. I started thinking maybe it's actually that easy. So I tested it. I spent weeks watching every strategy, taking notes, trying to copy exactly what these gurus were doing. And you know what happened? Nothing. No money, no momentum. I just wasted my time. And that's when it hits me. I wasn't getting the full story. I started looking deeper, and every single person making money online, and I mean real money, had one thing in common. They were not chasing random trends. They were not relying on AI to replace effort. They were not faking it till they make it. They were doing one thing well, and that is, they all had a skill. Either copywriting, content, communication, strategy, something people needed, respected, or paid for. And from there, they built leverage through content, service, or products. It wasn't passive, it wasn't easy, but at least it was real. So I flipped the question from how do I make 10k a month to what value can I actually bring to the market? What can I do that's useful enough for people to want more of it? The answer wasn't some trendy side hustle. It was learning to script better, communicating clearly, and understanding what actually hooks attention. That was my edge. That was my offer. And once I focused on that, everything shifted. Not instantly, but day by day. I saw it working. And here is something that nobody tells you. You are not behind, you are just early. You are in the learning stage, and everyone that you admire went through that. And when it feels like it's not working, it's probably because you are building a foundation. You don't notice the results until the ground is solid. So if you are doing the work, learning the skill, showing up every single day, don't stop. You are closer than you think. And most people quit right before it starts to click. Look, online income in 2025 isn't a lie, but the way it's sold to you, that part is a lie. If you're not building skill, delivering value, and staying consistent, you will stay stuck. But if you focus on one thing, show up daily, and learn how to stand out online, you're gonna win. Not overnight, but definitely. If this gave you even one thing to think about, then that's a sign for you to hit that subscribe button, because I'm bringing valuable content like this weekly.